Meaning of GIF.
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 GIF. GIF stands for Graphics Interchange Format, a type of image file that is widely used on the internet. Unlike JPEG or PNG files, GIFs support animation and can display a sequence of images in a loop. They became popular in the late 1990s as a way to share funny and entertaining short animations. Today, GIFs are ubiquitous on social media platforms, messaging apps, and other online communication channels. They are often used to express emotions, convey humor, or add visual interest to online conversations. Overall, GIFs have become an important part of internet culture and digital communication.